Hey everybody, welcome back. Hope you all had a good spring break. It's definitely kind of weird because it doesn't feel a whole lot different now, but yeah, I hope you guys were able to do some stuff and keep yourself entertained. I'm just going to walk you through what we're doing for today. Again, you can always go to the Flex Learning folder and find today, or you can just click on the link in the daily checklist. So you're just going to do the timeline reading. We broke it up into a couple parts, so it should be pretty easy. It's just going to require you to click on it and go through it and read the paragraphs, and then, like we've done probably 10 times so far this year, draw a picture to sum up the main idea or something that the paragraph reminded you of, or really anything else that you can find to connect with what you read. So on your Chromebook, to draw a picture, you'll just click on the box beneath each paragraph, go up to here and hit Insert, Drawing, and say New Drawing. And that will bring up this page. And then you have these different tools here you can use. Scribble's probably going to be the one. That just lets you kind of draw whatever. Yeah, you can use your touchscreen as well. That works a little easier. So either one on your Chromebook. And then you click Save and Close. And then it's right there in the box. A beautiful, perfect drawing. So if there are any questions about this, feel free to stop at my office hours. Again, this is just more background information on the Mexican-American War, sort of what we started the role play with last week, where you decided whether or not your role thought the U.S. should sell the Northern Territories, or Mexico should sell the Northern Territories to the U.S. So we're just going to get a little bit more background information on what happened and what is going to happen, because obviously by the title of the reading in the unit, the Mexican-American War, it probably wasn't peaceful. So read through these, draw your pictures for each one, and that's all you got to do for today. It should be pretty straightforward. If you have any questions, again, come at my office hours, email me, Schoology message, and I should get back to you pretty quickly. Yeah, definitely stop by the office hours too. Even if you don't have a question about the stuff that's going on, it's just been kind of fun to hang out in there and check in with everybody and see you all. So yeah, just do your timeline reading and then click submit, and that's all I need from you today. Awesome. I hope you guys have a great day.